Hello everyone, this will be a quick unboxing of the glorious Model O-. So, as it says on the box, it is matte white and it's 58 grams, pretty light. And so this side is like the right side up, while this side is upside down for some reason, which is kind of weird. So yeah, time to open this thing. I think I just like cut these tape things. So now time to unbox it. Oh my lord, it should fall off now. Oh yeah, this looks very nice. So now I suppose I take it out of the box. Oh damn, this is extremely light. What the heck? And then underneath this thing, a beautiful blinding sticker. And then a card. And then whatever this thing is. Throw away, do not eat. Well, maybe I will eat it someday. So now I'm gonna put everything back. I don't think there's anything in here, no. This box is kind of flat. Like, it's not that as wide as I thought it would be, but that's okay. Oh my god, can this thing close? Now the box is closed, time to check out the mouse. So there seems to be a like sticker thing. Well, no, it's just like attached to the wire, and I don't really care. And so this is the mouse. Oh, you gotta take off the things, like whatever this is. And now this back side. Okay, now it's off. Time to see how this works. Okay, well, it feels like incredibly light. Wow. Oh, wow. I need to see how much CPS this gets. This is cool. And the side buttons are light. Oh, damn. And the sticker is really shiny. This is a cool mouse.